Thank you very much for your interest in the gains wave. Let's talk a little bit about it. We use an acoustic wave machine that what it does is it helps create a jet stream-like effect in the area that helps the regeneration of the tissue, the vascularization, and the nerves, along with also helping to break up the plaques, the microplaques that might be causing an issue. The results do vary depending on the individual patient and what is the cause behind the erectile dysfunction. Some patients do see results within the first couple of weeks of starting the treatment. However, we usually say give it a full 12 weeks to get the maximum results because your body is regenerating itself. The feedback that we get from a good amount of patients is that they do see an increase in girth and length of their penis. Additionally, they're able to get and or maintain the erection without any assistance of a pill. Other people do require pills in more severe cases. The treatment is not painful and non-invasive. It lasts approximately 20 minutes, and we could space out the treatments depending on your schedule. If you want to do 2 over 3 weeks or 3 over 2 weeks. Now, if we're dealing with pyrones or other issues, you might require more treatments or 2 rounds. In my observations, the patients are most uncomfortable during the first procedure simply because they don't know what to expect. And then once we begin, their nerves relax and there's no issues in the future. The gains wave is a great non-invasive approach to addressing your ED. We're really looking forward to working with you.